Good morning, students. Today we have met after some weeks, and I hope that you have done your T1 assessments nicely, and I hope that you will get a good grade, good marks. And now today, as it is the starting of T2 assessment portion, and we are going to lesson number 4, and our lesson is more on MS PowerPoint 2007. I will start by introducing you what is PowerPoint by giving the introduction or defining the PowerPoint 2007. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a means which is used by the students or the professionals or any user to enhance the verbal or oral presentation. For example, a person has to deliver a presentation anywhere. He or she is making use of some pictures on a computer and some images and a screen, and he or she is enhancing his oral means जो वो मुंह से कहता है. अगर वो मुंह से कोई लेक्चर डिलीवर करता है या कोई लेसन डिलीवर करता है तो वो एनहांस उसका ये करता है, लुक करता है उसका एनहांस बाय एडिंग द पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन. जब वो मुंह से कहता है वो टीचर या वो स्टूडेंट या वो यूजर, and he is combining the presentation with it. So if we define the definition from this book, it says that PowerPoint is a software program that enhances oral presentation. It operates like an old-fashioned slideshow. पहले होता था एक स्लाइड शो होता था, उसमें क्या होता था, उसमें ट्रांसपेरेंसीज पे कुछ लिखे जाते थे, कुछ एक पेन होता था, उसकी मदद से कुछ ट्रांसपेरेंसीज पे लिखे जाते थे कुछ स्लाइड्स, और उसके बाद वो स्लाइड्स फिर यूज किए जाते थे और उन पे एक प्रोजेक्टर की मदद से लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती थी, लाइट डाली जाती थी, एंड द इमेज वाज रिफ्लेक्टिंग एंड इट वाज कमिंग जस्ट लाइक टुडेज प्रोजेक्टर. जो आजकल के प्रोजेक्टर होते हैं वो उनकी मदद से आते थे. बट नाउअडेज द टेक्नोलॉजी, मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी इज यूज्ड फॉर पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशंस, एंड बाय मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी आई मीन दैट कि जो भी हम इमेजेस इसमें ऐड करते हैं वो हम कंप्यूटर से ही सर्च करके लाते हैं, नेट से ही सर्च करके लाते हैं. सो PowerPoint in short is a software program. ये MS Office का ही एक पार्ट है, तो जो हमें presentations बनाने में मदद करता है ताकि हम कुछ भी if we want to deliver a topic, we want to deliver a lesson, we want to deliver a speech, it helps us in that because it gives visual effect. Visual effect होता है जो सुनने वाले होते हैं वो आंखों से भी इसको देख सकते हैं. So it is it has a much appealing look. इसका look जो हो जाता है वो appealing बन जाता है, जो दूसरे की समझ में बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है. This was the definition of the PowerPoint. Now in your book, according to 2007, this PowerPoint software, there are 3 ways of creating the presentations. Number 1 is blank and recent, number 2 is installed templates, and number 3 is installed themes. I will show you all the 3. These are the pics of these 3. I will show you first one, second one, and third one from my laptop screen so that you are able to get it properly. I have already opened PowerPoint, and PowerPoint window is not different from other windows. You are looking at a title bar on the top, which is yellow in color. After title bar, you are seeing menu bar. You are seeing this home, insert, design, animation, slideshow, review, and view. This previously it was also known as menu bar, but nowadays they are the tabs. They are known as tabs and ribbons. For example, this time my home tab is open. You are seeing home tab is has a lighter color as compared to the other this, and इसका border जो है ये एक side से open है. So these are the tabs, and under the tabs, this time my home tab is open, and you are seeing under the home tab there is clipboard, this group, then there is slides group, then there is font group, and then there is paragraph group. So these are the groups and these are known as ribbons. This portion is known as ribbon. Then there is slides. You are seeing slides and outline. Slides, what are slides? The slides view is a border on the left side which is giving you the look of the slides. इसमें स्लाइड्स आ जाते हैं, जितने भी हम स्लाइड्स मेन स्क्रीन पे बनाते हैं, जैसे कि ये एक मेन स्क्रीन वाला स्लाइड है. And in this, on the left side, we are seeing the different slides which we have made, and we can scroll them like this. We can take this bar to the top, and you now see slide 1 is open, slide 2 is open, and then slide 3 is open. And similarly we can this make them to go upper side, or make them to display one by one. And now now I have to show you what is this design. In the design presentation, we can design the presentation, and just now you were seeing that there are some this already this made templates. Templates means ready presentations, and we can apply to this slide. We can apply this. We can apply this. You are seeing that when I am applying the slides on the left hand side, and the main slide gets changed as I am changing. Slide on the left side and main slide gets changed. So I can apply any of these. This is this one, and this is this one. They are different designs. So in the beginning, when I am going to make a presentation, I can apply any one of these designs. So where are these designs found? They are found under design tab. This is my design tab. This is my design tab, and here are different designs. Then there is another thing that I have some slide types, layouts. This is layout. It is under home tab. Okay, so these are layouts. So I can choose some layouts. As I have designed my presentation, so they are also coming like that. ये भी black color ही आ रहे हैं जो design मैंने choose किया था. I can choose a design like this. You are seeing this first box is for title, and then there is, I can add some text. And similarly, I can go to another design like this. So you can click and add text here. Now how to add text? I am going here, and when I am going here, when I am clicking, for example, I will write a heading DPS. Okay, and after that I can write the address extra. And similarly, I can click here and write my text, and I can click here, write my text here and here. In this I can insert a photograph, and I can write some if I am making the result, I can write some messages here. Okay, here. And I can insert a file that we will do on later. Now for now, you remember that this is a layout, and we have applied a design. And when I am clicking on this box, I am seeing some these handles. Okay, with the help of these handles, I can increase or decrease this box, the length of this box, like this. Okay, now as per the book goes, here on page 41, the first thing what you have to do is inserting picture from clip art. So if you have clip art here, we can go to insert picture. We can insert picture from file also. No need to search the pictures from clip art. If you don't have clip art pictures, if you don't have some ready-made clip art pictures, you can go to insert, and clip art we are having here. I have clicked on it. Now what is open? This is open. So I will search for a bus. So go. So you are seeing the bus. Okay, I will click it, and you see it is inserted here. It is inserted in my presentation, and now I will drag it. इसको खींच के हम यहाँ पे रख सकते हैं. Okay, and then I can increase or decrease its size. We have inserted a bus, and we can write some text about this. Here we can write some text. So you have inserted a picture from clip art. This is on the page number 41 and 42, and there are some steps. You can note them down. Then there is inserting picture from file. So we have to go to insert tab. I don't know is this option here. Before going to insert the picture from file, we can go to picture from file. So there are some screenshots. I have this screenshot. I can insert this, and you know it is already inserted at the back of the bus. So I can select it. I can select the bus and I can drag it and put it here. I have put the bus here, okay, into this. On one screen, on one side, left hand side, I have inserted a screenshot of the desktop from file, and on the other hand I have inserted a bus from clip art. So this is done, inserting a picture from file. In your book you see they have inserted a picture from file. This is inserting picture from file, and they have inserted some animals picture. It is a rabbit type of some type of animal, and you see this is the file list. You can this bring a picture from your folders, any type of file, documents, extra, in this way. So picture gets inserted. Then there is a small practical. You have to go to clip art and insert a picture in PowerPoint presentation from file or from clip art. Then there is smart art. Now I will show you here on the screen where is smart art. This is insert and insert, and this is smart art. These are smart art graphics. We can insert a chart. You see a chart gets inserted, okay. I have inserted all the three things in this presentation, but I can move them, and a chart gets inserted from smart art, and I can move the bus. I can open another slide. I can have a duplicate slide. By right clicking on slide number 5, I am inserting a duplicate slide, and it is same as this slide, and I am selecting the things and deleting the things. I have deleted it, select it, delete it, and after this remains, the chart remains, I can select it and drag it to adjust its height. So this is your chart. This is your chart. So we have covered the three things today: inserting picture from file, inserting smart art, and inserting clip art. This is all for today, and please do practice it at home on your laptops. Maybe you can have Windows 2008 version or 2010 version. It will not make you much difference as per PowerPoint is concerned. Best of luck. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.